How to block a fake Facebook account. To get started, open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage where you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Friends. Over here, you can view all your friend requests on Facebook. If you suspect any account to be fake and want to block them, then open that account. Once you are in their profile, tap on the three dots beside the message option as shown. Then, select Block from here. Tap on Block again to confirm. You have now successfully blocked this account. You can repeat the same steps to block any other account that you think is also fake. Following these steps, you can easily block a fake Facebook account. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.